What is a sinus lift? A sinus lift is quite simple. It only happens on the back areas where you want to replace teeth. Okay, on the top, not the bottom, but on the top. The back teeth, they lie below a hole in the skull, in the head, which we call a sinus. It's nothing but an air pocket, and it's really there to help reduce the weight of the head where you can actually support it. That hole is, you cannot place in that hole something in that hole. If you put something in that hole, an implant, then you're going to be moving all around and can actually go inside the hole and flop around. You don't want that. So a sinus lift is, this hole is going to be filled up with bone where it's solid, right? So now when I take my implant and I put in the implant, I'm in solid bone, which is represented by my actual fist. And that's what a sinus lift is. It's the addition of bone into that actual sinus, which will not cause any kind of issues, in order to hold an implant. That's what a sinus lift is. It sounds kind of crazy, however, it's not, and actually so happens to be my favorite procedure that I can actually do. So that's what a sinus lift is.